glitters.
My glitter is these ones. I
One
really
more
like them.
piece. One more piece.
I got
These
the
pieces
orange
not
ones.
used in. Okay, so first
We are gonna be adding this.
the glue.
So first we're gonna put
make my first.
I got the blue one instead.
Why?
That's enough.
Eat!
Okay, it's only need a lot. So we're gonna mix it randomly. Okay, starting very nice.
I'm making some cream. I think we include baking soda. I put some teaspoon of
Whoa. I got it. Making slime is pretty hard because you have to
Okay, guys.
mix him. Is that cool, everybody? That's enough, okay? Ooh, maybe we need baking soda. I need baking soda too. Thank you.
So, we're making
This is a workout, everybody.
okay, you watch this.
So next I'm gonna add some of my baking soda.
I think it was there, but it's taken down.
1 teaspoon. And very small. So incorporate it.
That's my special. Oops.
Okay. Whew. This is a workout. It's like very, very not slimy yet. Oh, it's starting to come together. Almost. Okay, we just need. Okay, using hands. Wow.
Oh.
I'm making my slime. Okay, maybe I want to just hands in. Eat. Love hands. Hands mixing. Ah, I got them all over me.
I got yellow hands.
Oh my god, I could put a lot of food down. Mine is starting to come together very.
Taking no green.
Oh, it's my first time doing it and not bad. Not bad. Yeah, not bad. Okay. Let's be honest. Woo! Workout of the week.
It's my first time, guys.
Oh, this is so good.
Yay!
This is definitely
Woo! It's like no one.
my first time and I did it so well. Siyempre, can you add the comment below to share for me, please?
Okay.
Woo! Guys, look at me!
How much?
A little bit on the hands right here. So it's everybody. Hello. So I'm gonna keep kneading until it's like incorporated. So yeah, this is kind of fun. Kind of workout thing. Oh, it's coming together. So next I'm gonna put in my beads after this.
Me too, but how we gonna clean our hair?
I got the clicks.
Can you clean
So-
your hands?
Oh. I'm gonna help Tepe now. I'm gonna help Tepe since he's the green one. Oh, guys. Oh. I haven't added any baby oil yet. Just keep.
I add a lot of baby oil and lotions and hair shampoo.
God. Tepe, you're so sticky. I'm gonna add my glitter now.
Yeah, but I might add a lot of stuff.
So, guys, I'm gonna go and wash my hands.
Oh, you're so cool. To make it, but we do not use it. That
I really
activator.
want it to be more sticky. I want it to be
Add more glue then.
Let's see if it have a good drizzle. I'm hoping I'm getting a good drizzle with this. It's like a gold one. I got gold.
That's very good.
I made a drizzle.
I think making it cake. Okay, there's more. Mấy cái mình mới tịt à?ไม่ติดนะแต่ว่าเป็นสลับ What is that? Thanks.
Mine is not that very soft. I'm gonna get some of the baby oil so it'll be soft.
Mine's very soft. Yeah, I know.
So difficult.
I like green. Green is my favorite color.
I like gold. Just like this.
I also like gold. I have gold. Like gold.
Got it.
Like gold. Like gold. Like gold.
Okay, it's pretty baby oily.
Oh,
And if you like this slime, give this video a thumbs up because that was
and hit the bell and get it a thumbs up, guys.
So next, I'm gonna be adding red glitter, everybody.
You know one thing. Make your videos so good.
Okay. Whoa, Tepe, yours very cookies. Mine is not that stretchy. It's so not. It's so not. So not it. Yeah, something wrong with this. It's like something's here. Very good. Look at Tepe.
Hey, I got it.
I really like Tempe's more than mine. Ah! I really like Tempe. How do you do it, man?
I put some lotions and
Oh, I haven't put on lotion. That's why. I'm gonna get some lotion.
I put in lotions and shampoo.
Got the lotion. So let's get the table. Okay, lotion. The lotion. Oh yeah.
I just got like the glitter thingy, so I get it. Oh my.
Mine is getting very nice. Very nice. Really like.
I need to. Hey.
Yours going everywhere. I'm gonna put on. Okay, I'm gonna find mine. Oh, the gold beads. Got the gold beads and now Oh, my hand is so weird. I touched the baby oil, so it's like that. Okay. Whoa! Got some bumblebee. Comment down below, Nene slime or Tempe slime?
Gotta be tempted now.
Nene slime. Nene is gold. If you like gold, give this video a thumbs up. If you like
Mine
pink,
is
also give this
money.
video a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah! How about the
Okay.
Blah, blah, blah.
If you want to listen to some things more better, listen now. Now let's stretch him and do the twirls.
Oh!
Down a little bit. Up a little. No, yeah, no. That's good, girl. So, for this video, that's it for this video. So, thumbs up again. Bye bye.
You thumbs up, subscribe, and get that bell. Yeah! Ring that bell. Thank you. We are Thai people. Start English. ขอบคุณค่ะ